This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Acura TL. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine and a 5-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a navigation system, a moonroof, heated front seats, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, cruise control, leather seats, an electronic throttle, performance tires, a rear spoiler, rear impact crumple zones, air conditioning, and this vehicle has fewer than 48,000 miles on the odometer. This Acura has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Acura of Seattle is located at 301 Baker Boulevard in Seattle. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.